Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you where to find Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter in Windows 11 computer. For this, go to the Start menu and then click on Settings to open Windows 11 settings, or you can make a right click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Now go to System. Now scroll down. Over here you can see Troubleshoot options, so click on Troubleshoot. Now click on Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down. At the end here you can see Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. So click on Run and let the troubleshoot complete. So it might take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to complete the troubleshooting. Now, in case if you are unable to install or download any application or games from Microsoft Store on Windows 11, then please follow the steps from here. The link is provided in the video description. In this YouTube link, you have all the possible troubleshooting steps to fix this problem. So you should be able to download or install the application from Microsoft Store. So please follow the steps from here. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.